guys, this is Tracy here and welcome to my channel ToyBroadway. So today we've got Muck the Bulldozer along with Bob the Builder. He's hanging off the side of the cab. This is a very special toy. This is an early learning toy for small children. So let's turn it on and let's see how we get on.
Hi, let's have some fun. Pick a game to play. Pick a game to play. Let's learn the colours. Orange.